How to create a graph in Excel. So I have a simple graph I'm going to set up here with these two data sets. So I have days and miles. So for each day, starting 1, 2, 3, 4, I ran a certain amount of miles. Now the day option would be a good option for the x-axis, and miles would be good for the y-axis because we want the x-axis to be a consistent time. Okay, so we'll go ahead, highlight this area here, and then we'll click on recommended charts at the top underneath the insert section on the charts area. Okay, and then from here there are a bunch of different graphs that will give you an option to choose from. Personally, my favorite that I always like to do is a line graph, especially when you're just working with two different data sets. So we'll go ahead and select this one here, and we'll zoom out a little bit so we can see it better. So here we'll go ahead and add the axis titles. Okay, so we have the days here, and we'll have the miles here. And you can always edit this further to make it look a little bit cleaner, so I could just have 0 and 1 rather than the 0.5. As you can see, on my first day I ran 1 mile, on my second day I ran 3 miles, third day I ran 2 miles, and my fourth day I ran 4 miles. And that is a simple way to just create a quick chart in Excel.